the unboxing of xTool's F2 Laser Engraver. Here we have it, the F2 by xTool, and we are going to now unbox this. As always, it is nicely boxed. Okay, I'm going to tilt this so that you can see. This is safety instructions, and this is a quick start guide. And I'm going to actually put this down. This is really tightly packed, which is really nice. Okay. It's very lightweight. I love their color sense. The pumpkin and spice color, and actually the metal is rose gold. It's like a soft rose gold. I love it. So much fun. So I got one box, another box, and another, and that's it. That's all there is inside. It's neatly packed. This is really nice. First impression, it's really cute. It's it's bougie. It's bougie. It's lightweight. It's a little bit heavier than the F1, and I love it. Okay, I know what this is. The engraving tray, so as to let air flow and anything raised. Let's go. Okay, so I guess this is the starter kit with stainless steel keychain tag, black aluminum cards, business cards. You can do photos. This is I guess it's like a black card you can print or use initially for calibration. We'll know once we look at the instructions. And this is, okay, this is basswood, and it's really nice. I love using that. Okay. Let's see what we've got here. A screwdriver. And I don't know what this is. It's like glue. This is the filter, or the pipe for the exhaust, so for it to go away, or if you're hooking on to an air purifier. This is lint cloth. Okay, transformer for power supply. Okay, I see what this is. So this is the cord for the power that goes into this, and the USB key, I guess, to hook onto your laptop. It's all here. So I'm going to give you a closer look. I hope you found that useful. Stones & Findings is a wholesaler of premium quality chains and findings, as well as a huge selection of engraving blanks. I'm going to leave more information about our company in the description below.